Okay, we are going to do a scale drawing for the day. So on this scale drawing, 48 meters is represented by 12 cm. Now we always go in the manner map is to actual. What is the one on the map? The 48 meters or the 12 cm? 12 cm. And then what is on the actual? 48 meters. Take a look at the units. Now part A, they want to find the scale of the drawing in the form 1:n. Is there any different units down here? So I should change everything to the same units, right? But now this is cm, this one is meter. Change to what? Change all to cm. How to change to cm? Times 100, very good. Times 100 give you 4800 cm. But is this of the form 1:something? No, okay. Can you simplify? Give me what is the answer? Divide by 12, 1 cm or 1:to how much? 400. Now the whole scale, this is the scale. Okay. Part B, now find the actual length of a wall. If the length is 5 cm, they want the actual length. Do you think I will want the actual length in terms of cm or meters? Meters better, right? Because they never say which one must be. So in this case, I will just use what is given in my question. The map is 12 cm. The actual is 48 meters. They asked me to find 5 cm. Okay, you do the working. 1:400. No need to change. Use this. Use this directly. So I get 5 is divided by 12 times 48. Answer is 20 meters. So if I write the labeling actual on top, I don't need to write statement. If I never write the labeling on top, I need to write a statement. Okay, so depends on whether which one you want. On a scale drawing, 30 meters is represented by 5 cm. What do we write now? Map is to actual. What is on the map? 5 cm. What is the actual? 30 meters. But now they want the scale of the drawing in the form of a fraction, 1/n. But is there any difference in the units? My this one is cm, that one is meter. Then how? Change the meter to cm first. So I have 5 cm. How many meter? So we times 100 give you 3000 cm. But is this 1:to something? So we simplify it. 1:600. But do they want it in this pattern? They want it in fraction. Therefore, answer A, the scale, yes, is 1/600. Very good. No need cm already. Just write it in the way that it was given. Part B, this is part A. If a building is 75 meters tall, this 75 meter is what? The actual, right? Okay, let us use the scale that we want. Map and actual. Which one will you use? Will you use the 1:600 or you use the 5 cm is to 30 meter? Okay, so you use 5 cm 30 meter because the unit is already in meters, right? So this 75 belongs to actual. Very good. Then Clarence, how to find the one on the map? Don't know. Clarence, how will you find? Definitely draw it as 75 divided by 30 times 5. So I will go point up, then go over. I always go in this direction. So in 75 divided by 30 times 5 gives you 12.5. Okay, according to them, yours is 12.5 cm. Okay. On a scale drawing of insects, who want to draw insects? A mosquito is drawn 7.5 cm long. Can a mosquito be 7.5 cm long? When its actual length is 1.5 cm. So what am I going to draw, huh? So map and actual. Oh, why is it red color? The map one should be. Are you sure? So the actual mosquito should be how long? Oh, 1.5 cm. Then the map drawing is 7.5 cm. So that means I enlarge or reduce it? From the mosquito itself, the drawing is a enlarged version. But my question now want me to find 1 is to something. Are the units the same? Same, right? How to change 1 is to something? 1 cm. Divide by 7.5. Okay, very good. Why suddenly you're so participative today? Oh, because today I'm recording, so you are so participative today. I don't know. 1.5 divided by 7.5. Answer? Oh, 0.2. So I don't have a choice that the scale is 1 is to 0.2. That's for part A. Answer. If the actual length of a dragonfly, the actual, find the length on the drawing. So the map is, which one will you use? You want to use the 1 is to 0.2 or the 7.5 and 1.5? Okay, you want to use the 1 is to 0.2, is it? So okay, we use 1 is to 0.2 cm on both sides. Now if the actual length, so actual is 5 cm. 5
cm divided by 0.2.
Correct. 5 divided by 0.2 times 1. Clarence, what's the answer? Huh? 25 So big. Okay, answer. cm, right? Yes. The scale of a car drawing is 1 is to 20. So what we start with? Yeah, map and actual. Map is 1 is to 20. There's no units here. Okay, cm. We start off 1 is to 20. No units here, right? So we start off with cm. Find the actual length and width. Oh, the actual length and width of the car is 4.5. What is this unit? Meter. Then how? My actual here is what unit? So I must change from cm to meters. How do I change from cm to meter? Divide by 100. Okay, then what do we get? Divide by 20 divided by 100. 0.2 over meters. So this is 1 cm. 0.01. Now they give me the actual length. I'm going to find the length first. 4.5. Put where? Map or actual? Actual. 4.5 meters. How to get the answer? Maybe I should ask Erica. 4.5 do what? How to find the answer? 4.5 divided by times 1. Okay. Huh? Answer what do you get? 22.5. What's the unit? Okay, this is for the length. Then how do you find the width? I'm going to put the 1.75. 1.75 is actual. So I'll do the same thing. 1.75 divided by 0.2 times 1. Answer please. Yeah, 8 point. cm. Underline the answer. The diameter of a face of a watch. Diameter means what? What shape? Circle lah. The diameter of the face of a watch is 36 mm. The length of the minute hand is 11 mm. On a scale drawing, the diameter of the watch is 180 mm. Oh, so they give us the diameter 36 and 180. Okay, we have two things. Still is math is to actual, right? What is the which one is the actual? I got 36 and 180. 180. Read carefully again. The diameter of the face of a watch in real life is, the actual one is 36 mm. In the drawing, 180 become larger, right? Mm. Both the same units. Do I need to change the units? No need. Then now they want 1 is to something. Yes, divide by 180. Oh, I got decimal place. What do you get? Oh, 0.2. So the scale of the drawing is 1 is to 0.2. Now find the length of the minute hand on the drawing. So this is actually 1 meter with our scale drawing is 1 is to 0.2. But now I'll take 1 mm, 0.2 mm. Both can, I can use both, right? This mini hand is 11 mm. The 11 mm belongs to math or actual? Actual. So now I'm going to put it under actual, 11 mm. How do you find the answer now? Yeah, I can do this times this, or you can do this times this. Both can, right? All should get the same answer. Let's see, 11 divided by 0.2 times 1. 55 mm. Okay? If you write the title over here, you don't need to write statement. If not, then you need to write statement. This diagram here shows the actual floor plan of an apartment. The scale of the floor plan is 1 is to 200. Meaning, map is to actual is 1 is to 200. But no units to begin with. So what do we write? We put cm to start off, right? Then they tell me find the actual dimensions. Hey, what do you mean by dimensions? Dimension got length times breadth. Very good. So the dimension here got length and breadth. Length is 2.5. Breadth is 2 cm. So I need to change one by one, right? So the one on the map is 2.5 cm. Am I going to write in 200 cm? Oh, they tell me they want the dimensions in meter. Alamak, I haven't changed my I haven't changed my unit. What do I need to do first? Change the unit. So from 200 cm change to 2 meters. So 1 cm is 2 meters. That means 2.5 cm will give me, the length is the 2.5 cm. Then the width is the 2 cm, right? So 2.5 cm is 5 meter. Now let's consider the width 2 cm. 2 cm will give me 2 divided by 1 times 2, 4 meters. So I write the dimensions. Dimensions are 5 meters by 4 meter. Or you can write the other way around, 4 meter by 5 meter, both can. This one is for part A, part 1, the kitchen, dimensions of kitchen. Okay? Now let us find the dimension for, no kitchen, this one dimension for bedroom, alamak. Sorry. The more I write, the more mistake I make, right? So next time I don't write already. Dimension of bedroom one. Okay, now let us find the dimension of the kitchen. I'm gonna use map and actual. 1 cm is to 2 meters. Kitchen. What's the dimension of the kitchen in my diagram? 1.5 is the width, then the length is 2. So I'll take 2 cm, 4 meter, 1.5 cm, 3 meter. So the dimensions of kitchen, three meter by 4 meter. I can write the other way around also, 4 meter by 3 meter. Both can, Okay, no more space. We mentioned just now the map and the actual is 1 cm to how many meters? 2 meters. Right? But now I want to find the area. What do I need to do to everything? Square. 1 square cm square, 2 square meter square. All square. That will give me a result of 1. What square is still? 1 cm square. 2 square, 4 meter square. Now the unit is the same already, right? Now find the area of the apartment. So I need to have the whole apartment. Whole apartment. What is the width of the whole apartment? The whole thing here, this whole width. 2 cm plus 2.5, so 4.5 cm. No length. That one is this side here, the length. 2 plus 1.5 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.5 cm. Right, so this one, the area is 4.5 times 5.5. What does that give me? What do you get? Okay, 24.75. The unit is cm square, right? So I'll put this under the map or the actual. This 24.75 is under map or actual? Map. So it's 24.75 cm square. How do I find the actual area? Times 4. So I get my answer. How would you get? 99 meter square. This is for area for apartment. Now we're going to do the area for the living room. Still the same. Map is to actual. Okay, I need to rewrite, but you all already have your answer, right? What was the area for your scale? 1 cm square is to 4 meter square. Okay, we are going to use this. Let's find the actual area of the living room. Living room is this portion only, right? So this one here is 3 cm by 2 cm. 3 by 2 is 6 cm square. So I'm going to put 6 cm square over here. 4 times 6, 24 meters square. Okay, just nice.